Howdy campers, how's it going out there, man? Check it out. MOBICOOL MQ40A. This is a travel cooler box, 220 by 12 volts. I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like about it, and let's get into it straight away. It's a 40 liter, as it says on the tin. 40 liters, check that out. Separate lids, which is pretty cool. So you can open that up, grab something out of there without opening the whole thing. These lids are quite heavy. They are prone to falling, like that, because they don't open very far. A little bit of a push, a bit of wind, bang, and it falls down, which is not so cool. Beyond that, it's got two cables. One is a 220 and one is for your cigarette lighter in your car, which is cool. They seem to work okay in that respect. That tucks away. There's a little clip here which has since broken off. So there's that. On the inside you have a little volume control on and off. If you can hear that. Which adjusts the speed of your fan, and basically that's all you have. There's no thermostat in here. It's just a fan spinning. You can make it spin faster to cool it down more, or a little bit slower. And that's it. That's all you do. It comes in quite a funky steel look here. It's got a grab handle on each side which are very stiff. Check this out. So if you've managed to slip your grasp, everybody knows about it. It's quite compact actually compared to our hybrid cool HC45. This is a lot shorter and narrower because it doesn't have a compressor. So in that respect, it's less tall. You can't get as tall a bottle in here, like a magnum of wine won't go in here. It will go in the HC45. The other side is it's quite light. It doesn't weigh much. 3-4 kilos, maybe, something to that effect. So quite a cool ribbed look here, which is quite nice. Full disclosure before I finish off here, I bought this as a reconditioned unit. And don't do that. That's my advice to you. Everything else works fine. It looked great. It came in a plastic sealed wrap and all of that. But this little volume control button here, that failed. So now the thing doesn't work anymore. You can plug it into your 220 volt and nothing will happen. There's a little twitch as the motor wants to turn, so something's gone wrong in the electronics in here. If you plug it into the cigarette lighter, it will spin, but only at full speed. You can't even adjust that anymore. So this is going back. They've agreed to refund that for me because it's only about 7 or 8 months old. What are the negative sides of it when you use it, when it is working? It does cool down quite a lot, but as I said, there's no thermostat on it. It's only on or off. Basically the fan is on or the fan is off. This section will ice up. That's how cold it gets, and you wouldn't believe that, would you? I was surprised. Admittedly, it was winter. Daytime temperatures didn't get above 17, 18 Celsius, and at night it went down to about 5. So that might have helped the cause, I don't know. But it will get really cold in here. It's just not, it doesn't have a thermostat like a compressor fridge does. The other side, which is really annoying, this is probably a yes or no buying decision. I don't know if it does it with other fridges. When you lift the fridge, water runs out here, condensed water, when it's not iced. It runs into the fridge on top of everything in there. So if you have like fruit or veg in there, you get water on top of that every time you lift this lid, which is very annoying, and I don't know if there's a way around it. So in that respect, we did get some use out of it. It was light enough for our trailer. We ran around with 2 fridges. The one is the hybrid cool HC45 and this one. This one was for the fruit and veg stuff, keeping that all cool so we could travel for about a week in the sun and it would be fine. Would I recommend it? Well, based on my experience, and that is going back, you can make your own conclusions on that. Beyond that, it looks cool. It's quite light in use, as I've said. I'm not going to buy another one, let me put it that way. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the HC45, click on this link up here. Beyond that, I'd say happy travels, good camping, and go look for your own beer fridge, man. Keep your beers cool. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Keep rolling.